In this demonstration, I will ensure that you understand explicit and implicit styles. Let's switch to Visual Studio. In the previous clips, you created this text box style here that is referenced down here on these two text box elements. This is a so-called explicit style because you have to reference it explicitly by its key. Now, WPF has also the concept of implicit styles. To change this style here to an implicit style, you remove the X key attribute. Behind the scenes, WPF will use the target type as a key to add this style to the resources of the stack panel. Now, with this implicit style, you don't have to set the style property anymore on the text box elements. So let's remove these attributes from the text boxes. This means now that the text box here looks first into its own resources property for an implicit style with the target type text box. It does not find it here, so it goes to the parent, which is the stack panel, and here it finds that implicit style with the target type text box. Now let's run the application and everything should still work as before. Let's select a customer and you can see the two text boxes have the expected look. But now the style is applied implicitly and you don't have to reference it here. Now I want to mention one more thing. You might also come across styles where the target type attribute is not set simply like this, but with the X-type markup extension, the text box is specified. X-type is like the type of keyword in C#. But as this target type property is of type, the SAML parser is smart enough to use type of when you write just text box. In the next clip, let's move this style here to the application resources.